I want to show you guys a quick video. Got this mower here, and the problem is we just get a click when we turn the key. I'm going to show you what I do to troubleshoot these things. First thing I like to do is check the battery voltage. This doesn't necessarily say the battery is good, but it tells us what we have. So we have 12.5. Can you see that? My fat hand in the way? Yep. So it has enough volts to crank. Doesn't necessarily mean the battery is good, but if it had like 8 volts or something, we would need to charge the battery. So it looks like it's fully charged. It looks fairly new. Now I'm going to go on to the next step. Next step is I have my ground of my meter on the negative of the battery. We're going to go down to the first lug on the solenoid off the battery. This should be hot all the time. And we have the same voltage, 12.5. Next, we're going to go to the second lug on the solenoid, the output to the starter. We're going to turn the key. Can you hear it click? I'm not getting any voltage. Even though we're getting no voltage, another thing to check when things just click like this, check your oil, make sure it's not over full. Sometimes the carburetor float will stick and the whole thing will be full of gas. That'll cause the same situation. But we would have voltage here. So it's looking like the solenoid's bad. Just because the solenoid is clicking doesn't mean it's good. It could have corrosion inside there and not making contact. We're going to confirm that it's the starter solenoid. So I'm going to take these cheapy jumper cables right here, stick one on the positive of the battery, and then we're going to stick the other one to the second post of the solenoid, the output for the starter. So I have the key on. Can't see it. There it is. We're going to touch it to here, let some sparks fly, and see if it'll crank. See, cranks just fine. I could basically say that it's the solenoid that's bad, because we weren't getting voltage to here like we should. And when we bypassed the solenoid, go from here to here, the starter cranks right over and everything's great. So it looks like you need to order one of these guys. Oh, and some people get butthurt when you call it a solenoid. Some people call it a relay.